Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. This video is going to be really short. I just wanted to share some good news with you. I was recently asked by a fellow vegan YouTuber called Liam Anthony to do an interview. And so we just did kind of like a live session last night. And it's up right now so anybody can watch it. I think it came out really well. I'm really happy with it. Had a good time talking to Liam, and definitely recommend everybody who's interested to go check out his channel. If you're interested in, kind of my thoughts and his thoughts as we talked about veganism and a bunch of other things too as well, and some gardening topics as well. So yeah, I hope everybody goes over to the channel. I'll put it in the I'll put the link in the description. So do check it out, and love to hear what you guys think. And I'm sure Liam would appreciate anybody stopping by and subscribing to his channel too. Say hi and let him know that I sent you. So yeah, that's it. Short video right now, and just I will have a lot of stuff coming up. I've got a bunch of things kind of in the midst of getting finished and getting ready for upload. So I'll have a lot of content coming up in the next couple days, and hope to see you in the next one. Thanks everybody. Really appreciate everybody signing up and subscribing. We've got a lot of new support, so feels good. Thanks.